talk to Caleb real quick?
I'm going goose hunting though. What's going on, buddy?
Well,
that was terrible. There we go. Yeah, I'm going goose hunting at the farm. We're gonna set up and go from there.
I'm not seeing a whole lot of movement right now. A lot of corn.
I'm not either. I went to my farms a couple days ago, and I see a lot of does, some young bucks moving, but they're starting to fire up for sure. I know they are because my scrapes are getting hit.
Are they?
During the day. My cameras, nothing of like big size yet, you know, like crazy. But as far as like scrapes getting hit, it's firing up.
See it.
Call me when you need help tracking it here, okay?
Really? All right, I'll let you do it. Today we are going to a 20-acre piece of property that we have. I'm taking a break from the 1-acre property simply because I don't want to hunt it too much. Today, this afternoon's not like prime hunting by any means. We're middle October. But I do want to go set in a stand. And I just set up a trail camera on this 20-acre parcel that I want to check today. And I also haven't hunted it yet this year, and I kind of just want to see what's moving around. It's a really windy day, which means I'll be able to get in the woods, hopefully undetected. And you never know. I mean, maybe a big buck will be on the move. It's Iowa, anything can happen. And I'm tired of sitting in the house, or the apartment per se, and just watching the day go by, because it is a beautiful day out here, and there aren't very many more beautiful sunny days left, because winter's just around the corner. I've got about an hour drive here to my hunt spot. Brett is not going to be with us today. He's got some work he's got to do. Unfortunate. I'd like him to kill a big buck just as much as I want to kill a big buck. And man, it's a good day to be in Iowa. I tell you what, it is just gorgeous. Leaves are starting to change. Sun's shining. And God is good. A lot of corn out there in the fields.
Well, I was born just west of the river, Mississippi mud running in my veins, and on the road is where I found freedom. Hotel rooms is where I found peace.
Some of the best coffee outlets.
I spent my whole life running. Iowa.
So smooth, man.
It's gonna be a long way home.
Hunting and trying to film. You got so much stuff, so many cameras, and you just do what you gotta do, and that's put your camera in your hunt bag. I need to go check my trail camera. This tree doesn't break on us tonight. We should be okay. It's not super windy. Well, we are all set up. I was unable to check the SD card for that trail camera on the ridge because the phone died. So that's unfortunate. We'll just check it when we get home. Set up for a good evening hunt. See what happens. It's just gorgeous out here. Who knows? Maybe tonight's the night we get Booner down on the ground. Most of all, I pray for a safe hunt and I pray to get back home safe. I'm working on posting the YouTube video I just made for last week, and there are gunshots going off straight north of me. You hear that? I mean, I don't think it's going to be doing me any harm at all. If anything, it'll hopefully push the deer towards me if they're up north. Somebody's just having a heyday out in the timber. Shooting guns and stuff. It's Iowa for you. Especially in this part of the land, there's a lot of hillbillies. People get very territorial of their land out here. And I mean very territorial. Last year we were shotgun hunting and we just bought this land probably 5 years ago, 6 years ago. And the guys that hunt north of us used to push the deer to where we are right now. And we hunt it during shotgun season, so generally they're pushing the deer to us because we hunt it. And they're not allowed to hunt it, so we had to exchange words last year, and they weren't very friendly words. Some people are cool neighbors, some people are not cool neighbors. And I don't know about anywhere else, but in Iowa, people are very territorial of their land, like, very territorial. Season without killing a buck, the daylight hours are gonna shrink. It's very important for me to keep my head on a swivel. Because where there's one deer, there might be another. It looks like it's still pretty light out, but it's getting pretty dark, gentlemen. And it's been really slow today. I'm gonna go ahead and get out of the stand a little early. And maybe there'll be something walking that ridge down below, eating some acorns. So I'm gonna get everything packed up and start heading down. I had a fun time making it. Any time out in the woods beats time spent in the home, for the most part. I do like the comforts of a home. So for right now, my name's Paul. Worst case scenario, y'all, is just keep hunting. I'll see you guys next time. Peace.